Hey guys, what's going on? Here's a little progress update. I'm currently trying to figure out the best way to tackle character movement. Now, there's lots of different ways to do this. It's absolutely insane. The way I'm doing it is a pretty standard way. Don't ask me to explain any of this. I have no idea. I have some idea what this means, but if you're like, hey Sean, can you write some code to help my character move? I'd tell you straight up, no, I can't. But I can link you a YouTube video of a guy who does it and you can copy his code. So that's pretty much what I've done. I do understand most of this, 80% of it. But like I said, I wouldn't be able to write this from scratch if you asked me to. So basically this gives some variables for our move speed, our jump speed, and simulating gravity. You don't want your character just to fly off into space. You got a whole bunch of stuff here that basically helps your character move. This gets the input from your your keys, so your WASD, WASD, and all that fun stuff is set somewhere in here. Input manager. Yeah, so here it is. So horizontal movement, left, right, A and D on the keyboard, all kinds of stuff here. No idea what most of it means. But anyway, that code basically enables me to move this little capsule here. How cool is that? I currently have the camera locking on in game view here. Now there are scripts that I can write, copy, that enable me to rotate the camera with the mouse, World of Warcraft style. But for now I'm just focusing on this because, well, I might be just making a 2.5D game and it'll keep the same camera orientation for most of the game. If anything, during certain parts of the game it might change when I want to do like a little cinematic fancy mode kind of thing. So for now I'm just going to experiment with this, but if you want to add in the mouse movement, it's just like, I don't know, 6 to 10 lines of code. Super simple. All you do is hit control copy, control paste, bada boom, bada bing, you have your own code. Yeah, for now it's just the prototype stages. A lot of stuff to figure out, but I think I'm going to stick with the two-dimensional game using a 45-degree camera angle, kind of like Paper Mario, but more like Zelda: A Link Between Worlds. If you've ever seen the how-to videos on how Nintendo made Zelda: A Link Between Worlds, they have a camera at roughly 45 degrees, and all of the models are actually tilted back 45 degrees, so the end result is just, it just looks proper. Otherwise you get kind of a warping, strange effect on the models if you don't have everything set at the right angle. So I'm going to try and emulate that. I love the look of 2.5D games, Paper Mario, a lot of indie titles that use that kind of stuff, and other games I can't think of right now. Getting a little distracted, but anyway guys, here we go. Here's a progress update for y'all. Yeah, we'll see what happens next. Thanks for watching guys. Take care and good night.